Welcome back to 876 Recipes TV. So in this video I'm going to do a jerk marinade or jerk sauce, whatever you want to call it. So I am adding some blended herbs into the container. So I uploaded a video how to blend herbs, right? I will put a link to that video in the description box. Now you can blend the herbs and all the ingredients together to make the jerk sauce. But because I already have blended herbs in the fridge, so I said why not use some to just make the sauce. So what I'm going to do is to add the other ingredients to this blended herbs to give me that jerk sauce. So I am adding enough blended herbs that I want to use. I did not measure it. I'm just taking it out of the jar and looking at it and see whether it is enough to do what I want it to do, and obviously I achieved the amount that I want, so I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients now to the blended herbs to make it into a jerk sauce. I am adding pimento. Pimento is one of the key ingredients to give the sauce the jerk flavor. I am using generous amount, and that is crushed pimento. I am also using ginger, freshly grated ginger. Ginger is another key ingredient to give the sauce that jerk flavor as well. So I'm adding some cinnamon powder, about 2 teaspoons, and if you notice I'm using the Jamaican cinnamon powder because the taste is different from the cinnamon powder overseas. This is no joke. Taste is a lot better and it gives the Jamaican taste, the Caribbean flavor. Yeah. Try and get your hand on the Jamaican cinnamon powder. Our brand of things, this is different. Also I added half teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, and now I am adding about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. White vinegar is very important because it cures the sauce, so you don't have to put it in the fridge. You can leave it out on your countertop, but you can leave it out on your countertop even with the vinegar for more than, I would say, a week, because after that it started to loses its strength and smell rancid. It's worse if you put coconut oil in your marinade sauce, in your jerk marinade, I should say, or jerk sauce, whatever you want to call it. I will not put oil, neither sugar, neither black pepper, any of those things in my jerk sauce, because I didn't grow up seeing my people putting those things into it. You understand? And as far as I know, oil makes things rancid. One time I take fast, I'm gonna put oil in my garlic paste. Oh my God, me have to dash away after a day. Rancid, smell really, really rancid. Okay? Okay, as you can see, I added some browning, and the browning is to give it the color, the desired color, like the dark look. I'm not gonna add a lot of browning, food browning that is, because I don't like it when it is extremely black, but I still want it to have a darker color. So I am gonna keep adding the browning until it reaches to the desired color that I want. And I do not put lime juice in my sauce as well. My jerk sauce, I did not grow up seeing my people putting lime juice in the jerk sauce, so I'm just gonna follow them. So no oil, no sugar, and no lime juice. And this is it. This is the jerk sauce. Quite simple, quite easy. Gonna cover it and put it in the fridge for at least 2 days so that all the flavors can come together and soak up into one, making the jerk sauce really nice. Thanks for watching. Walk good.